Hey y'all. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Fashionably Grateful, and today we're gonna go check out this Walmart because I heard this Walmart in Brandon got a whole lot more than what others got. So I'm looking for the Scoop brand. That's what I'm looking for, okay? Ultimately, I'm looking for the Scoop brand. I'm looking for the best, like, free assembly. I'm looking for something, pretty much something that I haven't seen before from the other stores. So y'all follow me. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's pick up. Nah, let's go, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I have finally found where they keep the Scoop products at. Look, y'all just don't know how much I've been Googling and trying to figure this out for the longest, okay? I've heard so much about these sweaters, y'all. I mean, the softness of them is crazy, okay? Like, I love this sweater. I think it's cute. I'm seeing everybody trying it on pink. I would try it on in this color, but y'all, this color is giving, what's that movie, Monsters? It's giving Monsters to me. Monsters Inc. from, what is that, Pixar? I don't want to try it on in that color. I want to try it on in pink, but they only have pink in extra large, which I probably can fit just fine. So maybe we will try the pink in the extra large, okay? But y'all, I keep seeing this online too. Y'all, I can't see up close and personal what the sequin colors are. I had no idea they was golden. So these colors are gold in the sweater. I hope you can see that well. This bubble sleeve effect, y'all, I love this. I think this is so very adorable. And then they put it over this gold skirt. This is another skirt that I feel like I wanted to look at. It is smocked in the back, so it gives you some stretch. Because I was worried, like, am I gonna be able to fit a skirt like this? Absolutely, it's smocked in the back. Let me see if they have it in my size or a larger. I mean, they have it in an extra large. No, they have it in a double XL. Y'all, yes, we got action. Let me make sure, because y'all know they'll put a hanger on some stuff and have you looking crazy once you get in that fitting room. Now, will that match with this? I don't know. But I think it's worth a try. Like, so I gotta find something to go with everything. Okay, so can I do this in an extra large? I don't know. Let's just do it in an extra large just to be on the safe side, so I don't have to come back and get nothing, okay? Y'all, now it tells you how much. The sweaters are $25, the skirts are $25, the jeans are $30, and the blouses are $25 or $24. I wonder how much the dresses are, because they got dresses too. But yeah, cutesy stuff, cutesy stuff. I like this cardigan. It's real soft too. I guess that would be something that would go with these denim jeans, or jeans. I don't know why I said denim and jeans at the same time. Ain't that crazy? But y'all, I don't think this is gonna be in my size at all. I'm back there, I'm getting in there deep, and it's a no. They do not have them in my size, so we gotta work with what we gotta work with. So maybe, I don't know, we might end up wearing the skirt twice. Y'all, I've been seeing these glitter pants for a minute, and guess what? I get to the store and they only go up to a 12. But these are cute. Y'all, the glitter on them is blue. Ain't that crazy? Like, I love and adore that. That is so cute. And it doesn't stretch, so your girl ain't gonna be able to get in these unless I lose a good 50 pounds right now. I ain't gonna be able to get them. And then they got them in black too. Y'all, these hangers ain't nothing. They need to do better with these hangers.
I know, right?
Yes. Yes, they keep falling off. This is a diamond, like, is it black diamond? I don't know. These are cute though. Oh my goodness. Yes, I love these glitter plants. Now, these might be something that I might have to order online and then try them on and see if they work. And if they don't, unfortunately, I will have to return, which we would rather not do that. But yeah, it looks like I'm not going to be able to try these on at all, because even this is in an extra small. So yeah, we don't too much have the, I guess what's happening is the girls is eating these up. They eating these right on up. Okay, now these sweatpants though, are adorable. And they've got a matching shirt that has rhinestones at the top. Let me give you a better look at the rhinestones. They're different tones: black, gold, clear. Yeah, these are cute. Now this is a small one, so I can't get into that one, but here's one that I can fit. Look at the sleeves on the side and the detail on it to make them look like they're puffy a little bit. I love this. So I definitely want to try this on with a pair of sweats. The question is I think they're supposed to be a little baggy, so I'm gonna do extra large for these. Oh, these are packed in. Now these don't look like the girls is eating these up, because I mean we ain't even hardly got no room to pick it up. So yeah, it look like you got plenty of time to come get this if you want it. Okay, period. But yes, they've got a lot when it comes to scoop. Here's another this top right here, how it ruches up on the side. I think that is really cute, and I think that would probably go well with a pair of these sweatpants too. Now I wonder, are these sweatpants barreled out? I don't know. Are any of these barreling? These do. These sweatpants barrel out, but they don't have them in my size, it looks like. Oh, the black ones, they do. Oh, let's do these. Let's do these black barrel pants. Yes. Are these barreling out? They do. Barrel pant, yep. Barrel pants. And let's do it with the extra large top, so it'll fit it on top of this. Okay, so we got a couple of pants outfits that I can try on as well, y'all. So listen, let's head to the fitting room, okay? Let's go, y'all. Okay, so maybe I can fit a pair of these jeans. It looks like they do have a pair that I can fit. They're pretty baggy, and I like these. So we're gonna try these on as well. Along with, I've been looking at this sweater for a minute. Not this one, but the camouflage one. So checking out the camouflage one. They do have it in a size 20. They seem a little cropped, but I think this will be cute with that, because this doesn't look super black. It does look like it has some blue hues to it. So listen, we got action, y'all. I'm so happy about that. Finally found a spot that actually has Scoop brand in it. It's about time, because baby, I mean, the need for this brand is crazy. It's crazy. This is a cute blazer. The blazers are $38 and the t-shirts are $8. But y'all, I need you to come to the fitting room with me so we can try some of these clothes, okay? Let's do it, y'all. Okay, y'all. The skirt is stiff, it's taffeta, but it is adorable. I love this skirt, okay? I don't know where I will wear it to other than a party, and I would of course wear it with like a lace shirt or something like that, or a lace bodysuit. I think that would be super cute with that. This shirt has the gold sequins in it that matches, just in case I wanted to wear it to like a dinner or something like that. But the shoes, y'all, I know these shoes are tan or nude or whatever, but I feel like the gold rhinestones match so good with the gold sequins on the top. I think that's dope. So yes, I really love this outfit, and plus y'all, y'all know how I feel about anything bubbly. Like, I love the bubble sleeves. I think it is so adorable. It's so poofy. It's so cute. 10 out of 10. All right, so this one's cute too, right? The rhinestones are really cute on this. It was given like kind of, I did it myself, craftiness, but it's okay. It's just a cute little festive outfit. Definitely not like something that you would probably go anywhere with, but wear to work on a Saturday or Sunday, if you work on those days. Also lounge around the house, run to the grocery store, run to Walmart, and be comfortable while you shop. The inside is giving fleece, so it definitely feels good. I love the loved look, like the stone-washed type of look. I think that's what makes it cute. And then I love the baggy feel of it, and then the comfortability of the pockets and stuff like that. Super cute. Alright, this one, 10 out of 10 out of 100 out of 100. I don't even know what to say. This one I'm watching. I'm watching it to see when this goes down. The mock neck, top, tank, kind of tank. The detail on the side is giving, okay? And then the barrel pants. I love barrel pants. And then these have the nerve to be comfortable too. And then they joggers too at the bottom. Yes, I'm watching these all day. I'm gonna make sure that this is a pair that's on my radar. I'm gonna put it in my wish list. And I'm gonna make sure I clock it because I want this. Like, look, it got pockets in the back, y'all. I'm loving that, y'all. 10 out of 10 on this outfit, and I know it looks basic. I'm gonna try to see if I can grab this in almost every color because I like this. And I don't even think this goes with the pants. It was by it, but I don't know if it goes with it. These probably go with this top, probably goes with better with jeans, but I think this outfit is tea, like for real. I love this. I think it's cute. I think you can wear it on the loungewear. You can wear it out, not out to the club, but you and your homegirls want to go out to eat real quick. I think this would be a cute outfit to wear with some cute shoes to wear with it, or even some like, I don't know. I think it would be real cute, y'all. But this outfit right here is definitely a buy, and not a bye-bye.